Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to log into your Airbnb. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log into Airbnb, you just simply have to open this Airbnb application at first, and after opening the Airbnb application, you will get to see so many options into here. Now just simply tap into this login button at the bottom right corner, and from there you will get this login button. Just simply tap into that, and now you just simply have to select option to log in your account. I have opened my Airbnb account with email address, so I have to click into this continue with email option. Now I'll just simply have to enter the email address into this box, and then click to continue. Then after this, just simply enter the password of your account, and after entering the password, again click to continue. Then after doing this very easy steps, you can easily log in to your Airbnb account. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.